to subscribe!
Cooking trouble!
Pororo and friends are playing in front of Loopy's house.
Wow! Yes!
Okay, it's my turn now.
You guys! Wait just a little bit more.
Come out and join us.
What are you doing? That's a secret. Huh? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Loopy! Huh? What are you so happy about? I'm making food. When I think of my friends having this food, it makes me happy.
Is that so? Shall I try it too?
Would you? Want to try baking cookies?
Cookies? Yes, that'll be good. Salt, pepper. It's going to have a unique taste.
They're done.
I'm done too.
Good job.
And it's going to taste good.
Hey, come in and have some pie.
Pie?
Wow. Here, have some. Wonderful.
Yes.
It's delicious.
Loopy did it again.
Loopy's dish is always delicious.
It's mine. You're supposed to share.
There's more. This time it's cookies.
Cookies?
I love cookies.
So do I.
Go right ahead.
Let's see. From the look of it, it seems like Petty's cookies are not good.
It's delicious. Krong, want some more?
How could you? Yuck.
Petty was disappointed and headed back home.
Why am I such a bad cook? Huh? That's it. Here it is. I should try it this way. Put in eggs and sprinkle some salt. Is this enough? Need to put in sugar. I'll do without it.
Petty was busy baking cookies.
All done. Looks all right. Let's see. Salty. I'll try it again.
Not being discouraged, Petty kept baking cookies.
It's burned. I'll have to do it over again.
Petty baked and baked through the night.
I'm so tired. Let's see. Well, not so bad.
Eddie and Rhodey are going to Pororo's house.
Hi, Eddie. Hi, Rhodey. Hi, Petty.
Hello.
Where's Pororo? Hi.
Everyone is here.
Why are we here so early in the morning? What can it be? Ta-da! You're here to try my delicious cookies. Cookies? Oh, I just remembered something urgent to do. I have to go
Something
now.
urgent? What?
It's, Eddie, are you trying to go because you don't want to taste my cookies? Of course not. Here, have one. Here, have one.
Thanks.
Here. Krong? Bobo, come out. You too, Pee-Pee.
Wow, it's delicious.
Really?
Let me try.
Pororo, Krong, how is it?
It's good.
Everyone said that the cookies were delicious for Petty, but they were really salty.
How about you?
It's delicious.
Good. Oh, wait.
Still salty.
Actually, I brought a lot. Have as many as you like. Do you want salt cookies or mustard cookies?
In the end, Everyone had to have some more of Petty's cookies.
Watch out, Eddie.
Pororo and friends are at the forest making a snowman.
Krung, krung. Krung, krung. Krung? Oh, krung, krung.
Stop right there!
Hey guys,
You...
Krung?
it's snowing. We should go back now.
Yes, let's go. Krung?
The friends decided to go home because of the snow. It was snowing heavily, and it was already hard to walk in the snow.
Poppy. I can't go any further. What's that noise?
Something is headed this way! Hello?
Hi, guys.
So, here you are. Jump on the back. Now, let's go. Thanks, Eddie. Don't mention it.
Doesn't this slip on a snowy road?
Of course it doesn't. Do you want to see what this car can do?
Yes.
All right, then. Here we go.
Are you sure it's all right?
Don't worry.
I'm not worried.
I said don't worry. There.
The bulldozer is headed to the iceberg. It's dangerous to go there.
See? No problem.
Look, it stopped snowing. No, no, look out!
Oh, there's a road in front. Eddie, be careful.
It's a piece of cake. That was close.
That was close.
We're safe. We fell below the iceberg. Where are we? Which way should we go?
Krung, what do we do?
Look over there. There's a road.
There is. It's our house. I know the way. Everyone arrived at Poby's house, safe and sound.
We're safe.
Wasn't it a fun trip?
There was nothing fun about it. It was a very, very dangerous trip. I told you to be careful.
Eddie, it was dangerous.
You should be more careful, Eddie.
I will be careful from now on.
Strange soccer.
The friends are going to play soccer today. On Pororo's team, Pororo, Krong, Poobie, Loopy, and Tong Tong as the goalkeeper. And on Eddie's team, Eddie, Brody, Petty, Pee-Pee, and Popo as the goalkeeper.
Play ball. Krong, catch. Krong, Krong.
I'm here to block.
Krong.
Here it goes. Pororo's team is winning 1-0.
I am sorry.
That's all right. You'll do better next time. Eddie, catch! All right, here goes.
I got him.
Left.
No.
Then right.
Not there either.
Left again. Then right. Oh, I'm tired.
Give it to me.
Okay, Rhodey, here goes.
Got it.
Goody goody tong tong, appear, pretty flower.
Ah, that's pretty.
Loopy, it's a present.
Thanks.
Here I come.
Oh,
The ball that Rhodey kicked hit the goalpost and bounced back. Pororo's team is winning 2-0.
All right, let's do this. Now, we have to block any ball that comes.
Okay.
Let's continue to play ball.
Oh.
Pee-Pee flew up and blocked the ball. That way! This time, Rhodey suddenly turned tall. I got it! Eddie's team made a goal, and the score is 2-1.
Nice job, Rhodey.
That was nothing.
The shark started watching the soccer game.
Krong, here.
Krong.
Krong.
Rhodey!
Wait. I got it. Oh, that's mine.
Eddie's team scored again, and the score is tied 2-2.
Okay. All right, here goes.
Pee-Pee blocked Pororo's balls very well.
Ha! Well done. Here I go.
goody goody tong tong, goody goody tong tong. Cheese.
This time, Tong Tong got larger.
Rhodey!
Okay.
The ball is flying too far. Oh dear, the shark got hit by the ball. The friends had to finish the soccer match. Instead, the shark had a great time playing with the ball.